Hey everyone, welcome to Tea Time with Bev. Alright, so for today I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of using the aloe vera gel or the plant on your natural hair. So I saw a couple of videos of natural hair YouTubers who are using the aloe vera plant, the gel on their hair, and I was like, oh my goodness, this sounds like something that is fun. So I said, okay, let me go ahead and give it a try, because they said in the video that it left their hair feeling very soft and moisturized. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. However, there were some good things that I noticed about it and then some bad. So I'm gonna start off with the bad, okay, the con of using aloe vera plant on your hair, because a lot of the natural hair videos that I saw, they didn't really give this warning, and it was something that I found out after applying it to my hair. So all I did was I followed what I saw in the video, is that you just buy the aloe vera plant at any local grocery store. You cut it open, and the gel that is inside of the plant, what I did was I took it, I blended the gel with a little bit of water, and I added some essential oil. I used the lavender essential oil with some rosemary essential oil, and I added it to it, blended it, and then I strained it. I strained it so that it was nice and smooth, and there was no like green parts of the plant in there, just all gel. And then after straining it, what I did was I parted my hair, I applied the aloe vera gel to sections of my hair, and then I let it sit on my hair overnight, and then washed it off in the morning. So the con was that after I had washed my hair, and then I put it in twists. When the twists were dry, I took out the twist, and there were tiny, tiny little white stuff on my hair, okay? Tiny little white stuff that was in my hair that looked like dandruff, okay? Like literally I will brush my hair like this and it will be coming out, and it was a lot of them. It was very, very tiny, so it was like really, really hard to come out. I've done a couple of washes on my hair, and most of it has come out, but there's still little tiny little pieces of the it's the aloe vera, the gel, the pulp. When it dries out, it is white. So it kind of gives the appearance of like you have dandruff, but it's not dandruff. And it's really, 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 really tiny, and it's hard to come out of it. So because of that, I couldn't even wear my hair out. I had to put it in a bun because it was a lot. And my hair, even though I had just washed it, I've put it in twists. It looked like, it looked dirty. It looked dirty. So that is the biggest con of using the aloe vera gel, okay, on your natural hair. All right, so if you don't mind using it, because there are a lot of pros to using the aloe vera gel. The pros are, it does leave your hair feeling soft. Oh my goodness, my hair felt so soft for days. Like I didn't moisturize, because usually midweek after I washed it, I have to like spritz my hair with some rose water and apply and seal it with some oil or shea butter, but I didn't have to do that, and my hair felt so soft. It was so soft, and it was like tangle free. It wasn't as tangled and dry like usually. So that is a huge thing. So if you don't mind having those tiny little dandruff looking pulp in your hair, I say give it a try. After all, you could just put your hair in a bun, but it's unavoidable. However, I've been using this Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel for years, and usually I would dilute it with water, and then I'll use it as a dilute it with water, or sometimes I'll use rose water, and that is what I use to moisturize my hair midweek. And I was like, okay, let me go ahead and give this a try. Apply it to my hair and see if it will give, you know, I'll get a lot of pulp like I did when I used the aloe vera plant, the plant. And when I use this, I didn't get as much pulp. Now mind you, I still have tiny little pieces left, but I think it was from the plant, you know, the plant. I don't think it was from this because there wasn't any additional tiny little piece of pulp in my hair. So if you want to try the aloe vera gel on your natural hair, I'll say give this a try. And this is how it looks like. Give this a try, and I think that you'll still get the same results because my hair felt really soft after doing the same method, which was, but this one I didn't have to like strain it or anything like that because it's already strained. All I did was add my essential oil, lavender, rosemary, or whatever essential oil you prefer, apply it to my hair, leave it on overnight, wash it out. I did not get as much pulp, and I think the pulp that I had, like I said, was from the previous application where I used the aloe vera plant, you know. So our texture, the way our natural hair texture is if you have like a looser texture, like, you know, like with Caucasian women, they have looser hair or straight hair, you can get away with using the aloe vera plant because it will just, you know, when you wash it out, all the pulp will just come out of it, versus with black women with our hair texture and how, you know, coily and kinky our hair is, the pulp can't really slide out of our hair. It gets stuck in there and then it dries out and it looks like dandruff. So that was what I wanted to share with you because I've noticed there were not a lot of videos talking about this and, you know, letting people know, hey, if you use this, this is what could happen, okay? So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video. You take care and bye-bye.